During the next few minutes, we are going to show you how simple it is to install DEVI's underfloor heating mat. DEVI has a wide range of products that suit all your electric floor heating needs. Start by making a drawing of the room and measure the area where you will need the heating mat. The mat should not go under any permanent fixtures like toilets, vanities and baths, so you should not include these when calculating the heating area. You now know what size Devimat you will need. Remember to pick a Devimat that is slightly smaller than the measured area. This will allow the mat to fit easily into the desired heating area. Devimat comes in a range of sizes from half a square metre to 10 square metres. Before you begin, you will need to install two 20mm conduits. These need to be placed in the wall cavity leading from the thermostat location into the floor. One conduit is for the cold tails of the heater mat, the other is for the sensor probe. The conduit for the sensor probe needs to extend into the room by at least 300mm, so that the probe can accurately measure the floor temperature. Both conduits will need to be chased into the subfloor structure, as the Devimat system is only covered by 10mm of glue adhesive. You are now ready to install your floor heating system. Make sure that the floor is clean and clear from all dust and debris. Mark out the positions of any permanent fixtures. Use your sketch to plan where you will lay the mat. Lay your Devimat onto the floor with the adhesive side down. Roll the Devimat along the floor. The Devimat is slightly adhesive, so you should be pressing down as you go. When you reach an obstruction, like a toilet or a drain pipe, you can simply cut the mesh on the Devimat and move it around the obstruction. When you get to a wall, you can simply cut across the length of mesh and turn the mat in the desired direction. Make sure you are careful not to cut the red cable. The Devimat cable must not be shortened in any way. Spread a moulding compound over the mat using a rubber filling knife. Ensure the mat is completely covered and that there are no air pockets. The tiles can be laid directly over the mat using a flexible tile adhesive, but care needs to be taken not to damage the cable. The tile adhesive must be approved for the floor heating by its manufacturer. DEVI has a wide range of thermostats, including a 7-day programmable thermostat that will switch your floor heating on and off at your preferred times. DEVI's thermostats also come with your sensor probe. The sensor probe must be connected to the thermostat and fully inserted into the conduit in the floor. A licensed electrician must carry out the connection of the thermostat. You can now experience the luxury of DEVI's underfloor heating.